Here we are on another sequencer editor video. Uh, I'll show you how to select tracks within folders and select the whole folders. So here is the track list. This is how the green thing shows that it's the track list is on. If you don't want it, you click it, it just goes away. If you want it, click it again, comes back. So here I have folders within folders, many folders. To select each track within the thing, you just click it and unclick it. If you want to select all the tracks within the folder, you just click the folder, so all the tracks will be coming within the folder, will be shown here. And if you click the main folder, like suppose there are many folders within the main folder, and if you want to close all the folders, you just if you click it if you just click that, then only that folder will close. But if you option click it, then all folders will close. Again, if you open it, only that folder will open and folders within it will open. But if you option click it, all the folders within down also will be opened. So again, if I option click this bounce, everything will all folders will close down. uh, I will uncheck. This is outside this folder, so it is still there. And here, if you want to lengthen this space, you just go down and you see this arrow and then you lengthen this. But if you want to lengthen the space of all tracks, you option press and lengthen the space and all tracks will get lengthened. Similarly, suppose if you want to change this automation for all the tracks, you option click it to volume, then everything will be volume. All the tracks will show volume. Again, you option click it sound bites, it's back to sound bites. These are the inserts for each track. So if you don't want it, you can switch this off here. This arrow is the volume automation. So it's automation lanes for each this track. If you don't want it, again you can press this minus or this. If you want to see more of automations within this track, you plus, you select which one you want to see, you see the other one here. You can select whatever I want here. If I want to increase and view this wave for much larger, just go to this magnifier, increase it, you can see